couldn't stop him. Neither could I. I lost the kid.
Everywhere I go, I see his face, and the whole world is asking who's going to be the next Iron Man. I don't know if that's me happy. I'm not Iron Man.
You're not Iron Man. You're never going to be Iron Man. Nobody could live up to Tony. Not even Tony. I don't think Tony would have done what he did if he didn't know that you were going to be here after he was gone.
I just really miss him.